Hey guys, this time the video is gonna be in English because I just got this package from what I assume is the Secret Santa from the forums of the Fwoosh. I sent my package about 5 weeks ago and I got this one today. Obviously I'm placing this to avoid sharing my address. Sorry for my English, I'm not an English speaking person but I know a little. And sorry about the mess. I am working on some action figures, as you may know. And I just got the tapes from here and here to open it, and I'm going to take the content right now. So here we go. Let's see what is inside. The package seems to be nice. Got a little note to my Secret Santa recipient. Happy Christmas, I hope you enjoyed the figure as much as I enjoyed putting it together. From, who knows, I still don't know. It's secret. Some newspaper covering it. Okay, let's put the box away. More paper and paper. And the bubble plastic. I am so excited to see what is inside. Oh my! I think I know what it is. I've been wanting this for a long time. Oh my! Look at this. This comic series by J. Scott Campbell and Western Crew. Oh my, this is freaking awesome. I'm loving it. Oh my god. The painting is so cool. The metallics. The butts. The face is so cool. Oh my, this is pretty awesome. I'm loving it big time. I did one some time ago, but I had to take the figure away. I think I sold it. Don't remember, but this is beyond amazing. Really loving it. There is no paint drop. My, this is so fucking cool. Sorry for the words, but I'm totally loving it. Okay, Elf. As soon as I know who you are, I'm going to give you credit. I think I know what the recipe is. This may be some Captain Marvel bug or something like that. Maybe scream or something. There is no way to know it. The painting is so well applied. I'm loving it, totally loving it. I'm going to share some pictures at the end of the video, posing it with some other figures. But man, this is so cool. Oh, I know. The legs seem to be from another Marvel Legends like Thundra or She-Hulk, maybe. The head intrigues me. Don't really know who could it be. Maybe some new sculpting. Don't know, but it is so beautiful. I thought it was from the Danger Girl from McFarlane Toys from a while ago, but no, I don't think it's that. It looks like it's sculpted or something like that. This is new. He put a peg for the neck. Not as bad as the Marvel Legends one. No, wow. Totally loving it. Thank you very much. I hope you guys understand my English. If so, leave a comment, and please give us a like and share the video, please. Until next time, peace.